Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Instagram account and you won't get blue tick absolutely free. So might be this video is important for you. How to get Instagram blue tick absolutely free. My iPhone screen is here. I just simply enter here my Instagram account. If you're not following me in Instagram, so you should follow me as well as Prime Minister Modi as well. Just simply click here. This is my Instagram account, Research Rocks. My profile name is Sangram Singh Kaite. I just simply tap here Research Rocks and here the account center. If I enter here the account center, so look at this here, Meta verified. I click here. Standard 1 month is absolutely free as a standard plus premium max as well. Which one I want, like accordingly I should get this subscription absolutely free for 1 month, and you can cancel any of the time. So next month no need to pay 0 penny. So I just simply select here one of them, unlock benefit, and say continue with one profile. Here is the price of first month is a free. Afterwards I need to pay 639. Start 1 month free trial starting from 17 June. Today is a 17 June. After trial end on 17 July, pre-rate charges may be applied until 17 July. You can cancel anytime and avoid if you don't want blue tick in your Instagram account. So I just simply click here, double tap, payment verify, Meta verify payment verification requirement. Just simply do this process and look at this here. I am always use in my phone pay number. So my payment is completed as phone pay, successfully done. Complete this process. Review in progress. Typically take 48 hours to review your information. We will send you notification on Instagram and that's it. I will wait. In next 48 hours my subscription is completed. Look at this here, renew price. If I want to renew this one, I need to pay this amount, but right now is a 00 money I am paying here. Your subscription automatically renew for 6.99 month starting from 17 July until I cancellation. And let's see which types of blue tick I am receiving here or not yet. So I go here in VCham and search here simply Research Rocks. Currently my account is not showing blue tick. They are reviewing first of all. Afterwards I am receiving blue tick in my Research Rocks Instagram account using this process. So look at this here. After I'm spending 5 to 10 minutes wait, my Research Rocks Instagram is now in a blue tick absolutely free. So I can access these features for 1 month absolutely free. If I search here like Research Rocks, you can search me on Research Rocks and look at this here. Now I am able to access blue tick in my Instagram account using this process. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.